Hi and welcome to today's video. Today is an interesting video where we are doing a comparison between two DOMS kits. One is the Artstokes and one is the painting kit. So the Artstokes kit is for INR 149 and the painting kit is for INR 199. So we're going to just do a comparison study to understand what is different between them and which one is something that you should get for your needs. So the first thing we're going to do is look at the Artstokes kit, and then we'll try and find out what's different or additional in comparison to this in the painting kit. I'm going to keep the painting kit aside and we're going to see what all is in the Artstokes kit. I have done individual reviews and unboxing videos of these, so I will leave links to those in the description box. And so let's begin. So the first thing which we have is the bicolor pencils. So this has like on both sides you will have something. So this is a pretty useful one. These are not water soluble, but they are really nice to use. The next thing we have is a set of wax crayons. And then we have the DOMS pencil, a scale. We also have plastic crayons. And we have some oil pastels, an eraser, a sharpener, and also a drawing book. So the colors of the things inside, I've just done a study like before. So these are all the colors which are part of this, and we also made this very beautiful underwater scene with the colors which are inside this. So I've used all of the items and I've created this, and I love the colors. They're so bright and happy. So I'm just going to put together all the items, and when we do the comparison we will just put those things alongside this and check what's different, what's additional, what's new. So these are like basic things to just start off your art with. You can create so many things with it. So I think it's a nice interesting kit. So I've just like put them all together, and now let's open the other kit and see what's different in this. So they do have the same bicolor pencils. In fact, it's the same size, same color, everything is the same. And then you have watercolor pens. This is called as a painting kit. So I think there are a lot of things inside which is related to painting. And then you have the same wax crayon. So you have two similar things. I'm just going to keep it so we have an idea of like what all is similar. And there are the watercolor cakes. This is different, and you have the same set of oil pastels. And you have one pencil with a cap. I like that small touch of the cap. And then there's a sharpener with an eraser. So it's a similar thing, it's just that it's 2 in 1. And there are these glitter pens, which is different. And at last there is the same sketchbook. So the sketchbook is the same. I think let me just show you what are the additional items that you would get if you are going to buy this kit. So for an additional 50 rupees that you will spend, you're going to get, in fact, I think a lot of things in additional if you spend 50. So you will not get the plastic crayon. So that's one thing that you will not be getting, and you will also not be getting the scale. So these two items you're not going to get. So instead of these two, you are going to get the glitter pens, you're going to get the watercolor pens, and you're also going to get these watercolor cakes. So if you're someone who likes painting a lot, then yes, this kit is for you. I really think that you should get this because this is totally worth spending that additional 50 for. But if you are going to get this for either yourself or for someone who is not really going to be using watercolors, then you should go for this kit for sure. Because this is not messy. If you're going to get watercolors for somebody who's like 1 year old, 1.5 years old, they're going to find it very hard to use this kit, especially these two, because this is also really tiny to hold. Each one of them, they're like really small. So you will need a good grip to use this. So if you're getting it for a really small child, or if you're going to look at it as a return gift for a birthday party, then I think this is a good one. If it's kids or adults who are going to use watercolors, then 100% this. So both the kits are brilliant. I'm going to see if we created something out of this one. Yes, so we created this really beautiful piece. I think both of them are really nice. Just going to do a comparison. You're going to get amazing art definitely out of both of them. That is for sure. So you are going to get a good output either ways. So it's just a matter of whether or not painting is part of one of your needs or not. So that determines which kit you should get. I hope today's video was useful for you and it helps you to understand your needs, and you can buy the one that you require after seeing this video, and you don't get confused at the store when you're going to buy. So thank you so much for joining me in today's video. If you're new here, do consider subscribing to my channel, and also don't forget to hit the bell icon so that you can get notifications every time I put up a new video. And if you are new to my channel, do subscribe to it, and I will see you soon for the next video. I hope today's video was fun for you to watch. Bye bye.